it's Lisa here again. I'm here to just show you a few bits and pieces that I've picked up over the last week or so. I've done a little bit of a trip to Hobbycraft. I don't get a huge amount of stuff from Hobbycraft, to be honest, but I did manage to pick up one or two things because I noticed they got some new stock in and a bit of a deal on. I've had a little order come from Amazon, and I've had a little gift from someone. I'll start with the gift because it came from my mum. Mum bought lots of card from an online shopping retailer, from a TV channel actually, and it was lots and lots of coloured mirror card and gold card and silver card. So she's very nicely split it up between us, and she's given me lots and lots of card in different sizes. I think there must be offcuts from bigger cards, but there's the holographic, there's all sorts of different bits and pieces here. Silver, there's a matte silver and a shiny silver, there's a matte gold and a shiny gold, hopefully you can see that, and as I said, matte silver, shiny silver. So I've got lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of very pretty gold and silver card. I don't use a huge amount of this, but it is quite useful sometimes as a matting layering backing. So yeah, really nice. It's nice quality, and I'm looking forward to using that, and I'm very grateful that my mum thought of me when she bought that. The other things I've got to show you are my things that I got from Hobbycraft. Should I do Hobbycraft first? Yes, I'll do Hobbycraft first. So my Hobbycraft haul involved several sets of alphabets and thickers. So the thickers are 3 for 2 at the moment there. So I think these are about £4 each. So that was okay, I thought. In fact, a lot of the embellishments were 3 for 2 actually. So I got a couple of extra things as well. So what I got was this one, which is called Bonjour or Hola. Glitter chipboard letter stickers, and I hope you can see they've got a gorgeous white holograms, sort of glittery stickers on there. A few numbers at the bottom as well. Really love those. I think they're really going to catch the light. Then I had this one, which is called Vicky. This has got a print of a script on it, black with a white script. Numbers on the back of that again. As first, and I had this one just because it's pretty and I can't miss it. I can't resist pretty. It's called Eric. Lots and lots of very pretty little letters these are. I particularly like the stripes. Yeah, and numbers again. And then I had these. I was just saying in another video actually that I'm really starting to use some of these pre-created words on my layouts. So this one's called Skylar. Foam phrase stickers, and there's 30 things there. Best friends, create, inspire, dream. Hooray, hi, thank you, love. Celebrate, hashtag Girl Squad, awesome, happy, sweet and go. So that was part of what I bought. And then I had a couple of sets of ephemera. The first one is the Vicky Boutin one. Die cut frames. I've part of the Mind the Scrap kit a couple of months ago was some of the other ephemera from the Vicky Boutin collections, and I really enjoyed using them. So I thought I'd have these. Yeah, there's quite a lot on the back. Hopefully you can see that. Just to give you an idea, there are some words. We've got love, hey, and note, and lots of florals in this. But I did like the fact that some of the florals are black and white. This is the good stuff, and then there's various frames and arrows and bits and pieces. I thought these would go well with the Vicky alphabet. If you can see, there's a similar sort of theme going on there. Journaling spots, numbers, scrolls, snapshots, so lots and lots of bits and pieces to use. As I said, I really enjoyed using them last time. I like the colours, so I've gone for these. These were in the 3 for 2 sale as well. So lots to work from. Look at that. Oh, I love that one. Really love it. I've got a punch that does this sort of thing, and I've used it so much. Yeah, okay. You can see the sort of thing you get in there. Looking forward to those. And then my last little bit from Hobbycraft was this. This is Dear Lizzie die cut shapes, and there's 40 in there, and it's got matte gold accents. I'm not going to open these because I don't want to get them all mixed up, but you can see what's in there. I bought this because there was a mermaid and an ice cream van, let's be honest. But prettier colours, paler pastels, more summery maybe. Yeah, looking forward to using those. Oh, there's a unicorn. I haven't noticed the unicorn. That was my little bits of bargains from Hobbycraft. So, oh, let's just put those over without breaking those up. Okay. And then the last thing I've had come this week is a little order from Amazon. Really is a little order. I just ordered a couple of Traveller's Notebook inserts. I haven't got a Traveller's Notebook planner cover. I'd wanted to sort of get to grips with getting some of the inserts first and just see if I actually liked them, see if it was the sort of thing that I was going to use. There are cheaper ones out there. I decided to go for these because they're simple stories. Are they simple stories? Yeah, Carpe Diem. Anyway, I decided to go for these because they are a name I recognise, and I knew they'd be decent quality. I can, if I get into it and I like it, I can always buy another one, some cheaper ones from somewhere else to try. Okay, so there's lots of pages. These are ruled, lined. Love the spotty inside. This one, I have actually used this one, is spotty inside again, but this one's graph paper and grid. I will just show you what I've done. I'm just going to, give me a second, I'm just going to cover up the photo. Okay. And I've done this. This is the second page. Just take this little paper clip off. I've got a little pocket with some journaling in. That was from the March Mind the Scrap kit. I've stamped with lovely stamp. I've got some little clouds all over everything. I've got another cloud there that I've stamped. That's again onto Mind the Scrap, a paper from Mind the Scrap, and these are from Mind the Scrap as well. These are little offcuts of one of the papers. There were a couple of full houses left, but lots of half houses, so I just thought I'd make a little village out of them. There is some paper in the background there, hopefully you can see it with a scallop edge to it, and then I went around the edge with some washi, and that's how I kept my pocket on with my journaling in. I really enjoyed doing that, really enjoyed it. I want a word across there. I'm just going to go through my my new purchases and decide a word that's going to go. It's a picture of my kids, so I want something appropriate. Really pleased with it, really chuffed with how quickly I did it, how easy it was to use. The paper's not too thick, but it's still decent quality. I can see me having this nice and full up of lots of gorgeous stuff when I can't quite stretch to a 12 by 12 page, or I want to do something a little less formal, or it might be, I mean, I love this page that I've done so much, I might turn that into a 12 by 12 page as well. I think I've still got a few more of these little houses left, so that's an idea. I might do that this afternoon actually. Yeah, so there we are. That's my my last purchase. So 2 of those. Lots and lots of, oh, there's 16 pages in each, so we're talking 32 pages, so there's quite a lot for me to do there. Yeah, and those are my purchases. Thank you for looking. I'll see you again soon. Bye.